Boxing the Porter cable 20-volt set lithium ion combo kit 8-piece today, because I wish that I could have viewed a unboxing video prior to ordering, but now that I got everything in front of me and I see the great deal that this is, I'm gonna go ahead and go through this all with you. So we're gonna start off with the impact. Real nice impact, you know. I'm very surprised of all the things that comes with this combo kit for the price. I'm very pleased with it. Then we're gonna go to the driver. Just so driver. And these tools, man, if you're a big DeWalt fan, I am too. I really love DeWalt, but for the price of these last, if not just as long. I've never had any trouble out of them. Real durable and dependable. Now we're gonna move on to the reciprocating saw. Nice and heavy, big, not too heavy, kind of lightweight, but you know. Tiger saw, also known as the tiger saw. Oh yeah, and by the way, the saws actually come with a sample blade, you know, and that was cool. So they come with a Porter cable sample blade also for everything that you have. So I'm gonna move on to the table saw. All right, so now the circular saw we're gonna go over next. Circular saw, real nice, man. These things just last. And it also comes with blades, just 2 blades. And then the flashlight. I love the little flashlight, little lightweight flashlight. And it also comes with 2 batteries. We got the 20-volt lithium, just regular lithium battery. And then it comes with the 4.0 max pack. It's for longer usage. So go ahead and go. So the 2 batteries. And the flashlight, I'm really surprised. It's really bright. It's got 4 LEDs. Nice. It swivels. And this is the cutoff tool, the grinder. Real nice. Comes with you just gotta put the handle on it. Comes with it. This handle here. It's nice. And that also comes with the things that go with this. The actual tool to remove and adapt the blades. And then it comes with another one of these. So yeah, they gave me a couple of three of these. And the tool to remove blades and stuff. There's the charger also. And I love the chargers. It's like small and compact, easy to use. It's got the let you know when it's fully charged. because that's also not pictured or mentioned in the description. Moving on to the... And here we have the jigsaw, which is real nice for cutting in cabinets and cutting in sinks, in the cabinets and things like that. But it's all real nice and durable, and I know that it lasts because a couple friends of mine are on demolition and remodeling houses, and they all use Porter cable because of the price and the way that they last. And then this is the oscillating sanding tool. Last but not least. Lightweight. And that also comes with all the things to use. A couple samples of the sanders. The actual sandpapers. And then 2 bags to put it all in. Again, just want everybody to know that if you're trying to get your tools and you want something that just is dependable and not too harsh on your pocket, like I said, I was looking at the DeWalt and it's about $700. I got this one for $446. And as you can see, it comes with everything that you'll need to start off, and it's real nice. And I hope I helped somebody today, and it's definitely worth the money. And